Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to remove old accounts from Microsoft Authenticator. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. On the main screen, you will see a list of all the accounts connected to the app. Now tap on the account that you want to remove. This will open the account details page. Look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Tap on it. After that, you will see different options for that account. Find the option that says Remove Account. Tap on it, then confirm your choice. The account will now be deleted from the app. If you are using an Android phone and want to remove all accounts at once, there is another method. Go to your phone settings. Then go to Apps. Find and tap on Microsoft Authenticator from the list. Next, tap on Storage. You will see an option called Clear Data. Tap on it and confirm. This will remove all accounts from the app and reset it completely. Keep in mind that removing accounts means you will need to set them up again if you still need access later. Thanks for watching.